Hello, my beautiful friends. If you happen to go on holiday in Italy and decide to go on a road trip, you're going to be renting a car. In Italy, we have different types of roads. The provincial roads, which in Italian are
La provinciale, le provinciali,
the state roads, which in Italian are
la strada statale, le strade statali.
Be careful with these roads at night because they are often in the middle of the countryside and animals might be crossing. Never drive on these streets at high speed as they are narrow. Then we have the ring roads, which are usually streets that surround the city, and in Italian they are called
La tangenziale, le tangenziali.
Avoid ring roads, especially during peak times, such as the morning from 7 to 10 a.m. and the evening from 5 to 7 p.m. You may find yourself stuck in traffic. Lastly, we have the motorways, which in Italy have a toll. The highways in Italian are
L'autostrada, le autostrade.
When you enter the motorway, you will be given a ticket at the toll booth. Keep it because you will need it for payment. The toll booth in Italian is called
Il casello, I caselli.
Now let's see the phrases that you need for this simple operation.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno, sono 2,10 euro.
Ecco a lei.
Ha per caso 10 centesimi?
Aspetti che verifico. Ecco a lei.
Ecco il suo resto.
During the summer months, it may happen that the toll booths are very crowded. For this reason, you may want to choose to travel on different dates so you don't get stuck. The month in which the most people go on holiday and the highways are packed is August. It gets so crowded that you have a ranking for red days, in which you'll find heavy traffic, and black days, in which it's discouraged that you move. In those cases, stay where you are and have a nice meal. The next day will definitely be better.
Il video tutorial è terminato. Ci vediamo alla prossima. Ciao ciao!